Hello fellow traders, today's update is natural gas futures, and you can see here on the weekly level we touched for 3 reversals, failed to take it out. Of course it's gonna move down, so just wait. Today is a panic cycle. It might bounce a bit or it might go even lower. The first reversal is at 227. But the weekly one is 190. So bear in mind that the week is not over, but next week is the week you should look at, especially after 23, 24. So if you're looking to make a position, then that's the time. And I'm actually gonna post in my private channel why is a good time to get in. Alright, good luck.